Craft Haven Collective. If you've ever dreamed of making your own apron, dress, or the full outfit, Craft Haven is the place to start. This Hayes Valley-based collective offers a range of beginner classes, from the uber basics to basic hems, which are followed by a series of more advanced classes like the basic skirt pattern making class or the yoga pant making class. Yes, really. Jenny Lemons. If you fear the sewing machine needle, try one of the embroidery workshops with Jenny Lemons. In her Mission Studio, the clothing and textile designer will teach you the proper hand stitching techniques. You'll go home with a new piece of art plus an embroidery hoop and instructions so that you can continue your hobby at home. Imagiknit. Knitting is not just your grandma's pastime. Learn to do it yourself at Imagiknit. They've got beginner workshops for knitting and crochet, as well as intermediate level classes like brioche knitting or fixing mistakes. Both the beginner classes take place over 3 2-hour sessions, so make sure to make room on the calendar.